Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. So today I will tend the roses, especially the climbing rose behind me. It is just one long branch and I want it to be trained on the trellis like an ass. And after that I will deadhead and prune a little bit the 3 rows I planted this spring. So this is the flower bed where I planted the climbing rose. I also planted the clematis here this spring, but it died back as during the scorching summer I was not here for a week and it was really crispy when I came back and I wasn't sure it will come back, so I planted the climbing rose next to the place where the clematis was. The good news is, as you can see here, it came back beautifully. I am really happy. So now I have 2 climbers on this trellis and that's not a problem. I'm really happy because these 2 will create a really nice flower combination. So this rose was a gift and I'm really grateful for the color because I'm really picky with my colors in the garden. And look at it, it's still flowering at the end of October. It's amazing. I can't wait for the next season. Just imagine these 2 together growing and climbing on the trellis and blooming. It will be so amazing. So this is what I use to tie the plants to the trellis. This is a wire coated with some green plastic so it won't hurt the plants. And it's really easy to use because you just press it and cut it and good to go.